Well, let me do a walk around. Clinton B704. Gas tanks on it. The breezer's on it. The carburetor's on it. The exhaust is on it. It's not froze up. Actually, it has compression. Still smells like gas. It still smells like gas. Well, I guess I got what I asked for. I've been trying to find a Clinton, and this gentleman here had a really good, reasonable price on it. So it's cast iron block. It's got old school stuff, you know, kill switch. This governor. Looks like it's a gray color. I don't know. But that's cool. That is cool. I've been about the last month trying to find a little Clinton motor to restore. I've seen them on the internet and everywhere else. So let me back up a little bit. So here she is. I'm gonna take it down and restore it. And people ask why. I don't know. I guess because wherever there's something that was built, there's a collector for it. If somebody